let's do this together. We're gonna do boop, 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 boop. Just getting at just a little bit, and you can do a whole set. Okay, use this one. You can do, I'm going to do is like a half of the nails because we want to get enough space, so then when you are using the gel tip extension on, it's still able to penetrate and it's still able to cure through the gel tips. All right, just one layer. If you want more, but it's really cool that it's gonna create is really stunning with the neon on the top of the aurora. It looks like metallic, like marbling. So Delight, you can layer right on the top. You can do it on the sides however you want. Wipe it off because I don't want to carry that is burning hearts back into my Delight bottle. Wipe it off again. Continue to the next one. You think it's difficult, but it's just like in no time. So I'm just want to create some background for this nails before we start doing a fun nail art using a subscription box. Fusioning is definitely is the way to go because it does add on so much definitions for the nails. All right, just follow with the looks. I mean, with the colors is burning heart, and I just layer them. And keep in mind, there's no right way or wrong ways when you do a fusioning. It will come out with the different looks. I mean, different veinings. So that is how best about the fusioning. It will never gonna be identical. If you look at every pieces of the marble, none of them are identical. So just have fun and enjoy the process of it. So I'm gonna do just pick a little bit of a crystal clear. You don't want to saturate your brush so much. You just want the brush to be just enough. So then that way you can able to guide it, your fusioning the way you want it, and then create the veining you want the way you want it. And I'm gonna do, I just tap 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 along and outside toward to the middle, to the center, or wherever. If you want your vein to be on the left, on the right, and then guide that to the left or to the right. Okay, moving on, the next one. Always brush your brush on the piece of paper to clean all the excess pigments, so then that way you don't carry all these pigments back into your bottles, because then that way it will keep your crystal clears just nice and clean. Again, you see that literally that I don't have much of the crystal clears on it. Less is more. And just don't load a lot of them. Don't load your bristles too like soaking wet, because it's going to blending everything, and it's gonna mix thing is like you're gonna destroy all them like the veining looks. All right, it's gonna be so cool when we put the top coat on, because it looks matte right now. Well, if you need to pick one color from a fusioning, I would suggest one color of whatever favorites you want. You just like play and check it out. Get whatever color you want. Either you want to do is neon, or you want to do is like traditional color. Get yourself the bestie, which is the matte top coat. And then the bestie crystal clear. You are good to go. If you have to pick ones of the fusioning, you don't have to get a whole set to get started. Get one first and start playing with this. You see how easy and simple it will take your fun nail art to the next level. All right, so you see that basically my brush doesn't have much of it, but it has so much of a products for me to work. So now I'm gonna pick my brush, the bristle, and get a little bit of the crystal clear, and I'm just tap a little bit to get some like a little bit of hint colors. That's all I need. I don't want to soaking like saturate this part. Hey, are you still good there? Mm-hmm. And I am still in the camera. Mm-hmm. Thanks to you, because you look at the tutorials video.
Yes, so for all of you just joined us, what we're working on is Glitz Fusioning. So you can mix and match any color you want, 1 color or 10 color.
All
so
right.
What Nancy doing is with 2 color.
Yes, I did this two
Quick.
color. I'm so excited about this. It's really cool. It's making it so fall looking. All right, so that's it. If you are done, you are happy with this, you are going to put the top coat on if the client's like, okay, that's it, Nancy, that's all I want. I want to spend like $20 for fusioning or $30 for a whole set. That's good. Top coat. If the clients want to spend additional $5 or fancier, you can add like a gel painting, the little of like veinings, golden touch. If they are not, then it's not going to be the end of the world. So you can top coat and then good to go. But then the clients, oh, I want dramatics. I'm gonna have a Halloween party. Can you create something? Absolutely, you know. So we are going to moving on the Weaver gel jet black. So I'm gonna create this really cool fun thing. And you know that I always like I have a bunch of this. I show you how I create this, just a Scotch tape and then 5 toothpicks. Okay, so let's do this together. Are you done with this? And moving on the next one.